I'm going to show you how to find fonts super easy in Gimp.
What? There's a damn it. Damn it.
Okay, so what I'm going to go over in this tutorial is how to take a look at fonts quickly and easily inside of Gimp. I want everybody to pay super close attention. This is going to be a very quick tutorial. We're going to come down, we're going to open up Gimp. Now, once we have Gimp opened up, I'm going to go ahead, new, and already have my template. Let's go ahead and take a look here. Let's give it my foreground color, just so I have something to look at. We're going to make sure that our text color is the opposite. Now we have two sides that we can get text from. So when we take a look at it right here, these are dialog boxes over on the right hand side. As you can see, this is for like my erase tools. This is marbleizing, and right here I have a dialog box for text. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna choose I'm just gonna choose a text out of this side and watch what we do here. And let's go ahead, we have it, YouTube fonts. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make sure it's highlighted. And as you can see, I'm using my arrow key to go up and down. Now I can take a look at the fonts rather than trying to scan through on the left-hand side here, trying to scan through and see what they look like. I can go ahead in the dialog box over on the right, just go ahead. There we go. Make sure it's highlighted. Go ahead and make sure that just go up and down and go through it. Very quick, simple, easy way to look at different fonts for any kind of art. With regards to that, go ahead, comment below if you have anything to say. Other than that, peace out. We'll talk to you later.